Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by cutting power and confirming it's dead. That's non-negotiable for safety. Once the breaker is off and your tester reads no voltage, set the ladder securely and put on gloves to protect skin and grip. Make sure the fixture has cooled for 10-15 minutes. Warm glass or metal can shatter. Now, remove any trim or cover screws using the correct screwdriver, keeping parts organized so you don't lose small clips or springs as you begin the extraction. Once the trim is supported, inspect how the bulb is seated. Know whether it's a twist lock, bayonet, or push-in connector so you act correctly. If it's a twist style, grip with the cloth and rotate slowly counterclockwise. For bayonet, push in slightly then twist and pull straight out. If there's a retaining clip or spring, compress it gently while holding the bulb steady. Take your time. Steady pressure prevents breakage and helps you see any wiring or socket damage before pulling the bulb free. After removing the old lamp, examine the socket and wiring. Corrosion or dark deposits mean a problem, so do not force a new bulb into a compromised socket. Once clear, align the replacement with the correct orientation and seating method, then secure trim and restore power at the breaker. If the bulb won't release, the socket feels fused, or you see exposed wires, turn the power back off and seek professional help. Forcing components risks shock or fixture damage, so prioritize safety over speed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.